Why were the Stoics and Epicureans not trying to understand the universe and how it was made? Why were they not trying to understand God? Why are they not trying to understand the spirit realm and everything that's going on with that? I have to think it's because Satan attacks us in our strengths and not our weaknesses. That one's going to leave a mark, right? I think and we've got to know this too, because with the Epicureans and the Stoics, like, we realized that they were just like, I just want to sit around and think. I just want to hear the coolest stuff out there. Solomon did the same thing. He asked God for wisdom. He was following God, and as you follow through the books that Solomon wrote, he loses his way. And we can see that in the scripture. Because he was like, I just want to be smart and hear smart things and be around smart people. Like, that's all I want. And then he was like, I just want to make myself happy. You can see this in Ecclesiastes. As he gets closer to death, he starts coming back in alignment, and it's like, oh, there's something going on here.